Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here. It's Sunday, and it's time to drop off Jaeger. He's going to go get a bath and get his nails done. He wants to go in. Jaeger. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he loves going in. Hey! We got to get him in there. Jeez, dog wanted in. I don't know what his deal was. But now we're next door. You can see right behind me, Goodwill is like a block away. So I zipped over to Goodwill, and here's the plan. I was listening to a pair of pants yesterday. You might have seen it if you follow me on Instagram. They've been sitting around for like a month. I take them out, and I'm shaking them out so that I can fold them up after taking a picture of them. And money in the pocket. Always check the pockets, guys. Pants, shirts, bags, check every pocket. Now a 5 and a 10 fell out. I wouldn't have probably found it if not for shaking them out to fold them up. It just plopped out on the floor. I might have sent it to somebody with that in there. I didn't, thankfully. Now we used about $4 of that this morning to help pay for coffee, but that means I have $11 left. It's 11 unexpected dollars. What are we going to do? Well, we already turned it into some caffeine this morning. And now I'm going to go in there and see if I can turn it into some extra inventory. I've never gone into Goodwill on a Sunday before. Typically, I'm not thrifting on Sundays, but since it was right next door to Petco, we're going to go check it out. Some light reading for me there. Here, real quick. It's right by the door. Easy to scan for weird, random, for horror, new sealed, that sort of thing. Not seeing any on a quick glance today, though. I do tend to at least look at the VHS. Sure what that is. OC Sports, Minor League Baseball. Minor League Baseball hats can be pretty good. I don't know what that is. I'll think about that. Cincinnati, it's a Mitchell and Ness. Bearcats, I guess. Nope, Cavaliers for a while. Huh. That's a bummer. cool looking, but it's super lightweight and cheap. That's pretty lightweight too. Dirty. I make him stop. I think I know why somebody donated him. He doesn't stop. He won't stop. Okay, so we spent more than $11, which, I mean, you guys should have expected that. I can't stick to a budget, but those $11 subtracted from our total, we all in, we paid $26.93. I found a couple things I wasn't expecting, and they're starting to reprice some things in there. So that's kind of obnoxious. I was just getting used to the new pricing structure, and now they're changing it back. So I don't know what they're doing in there, but let's get home. We didn't get a ton of stuff, but we got some good stuff. Let's go over it. Okay, guys, so here is the haul. You saw me find this on the electronic shelf. This is one I kind of took a flyer on. This Calamar. It's a 110 millimeter camera. I used to have a little 110, I remember when I was a kid. Took terrible photos, but the idea that it's brand new in the packaging, it actually comes with a pair of 4x28 binoculars. The power. I think somebody's gonna buy this. I paid $5 for it, which is actually paying up, but I just like the novelty of it. I don't know. I'm not sure how much this is worth. I'll put a comp up over there if there is one, but you know, for something new and sealed from, you know, the 90s or before, probably. Yeah, I grabbed that. Down here, this is the Deli Daredevils. I grabbed this because I've never grabbed anything like this before. Honestly, that's why I grabbed it. This is, well, it's an Asian size large. I don't know what that means in the US. I'm going to have to, I don't know, we'll measure it. It's not particularly big. It's maybe a medium. It's a cricket team, apparently. I've never sold any cricket gear before, and I thought that was cool. So it's Adidas, Climacool, Deli Daredevils. It's a little quarter zip. It's in fantastic shape. I can't find anything wrong with it. And I do sell worldwide, so why not sell something that's popular worldwide? This, do you guys know who this is? I don't know what this minor league baseball team is, but I like picking up unique baseball team hats. The green looks different. I'm wondering if that was like a St. Patrick's one-off or something. I don't know. I have to do some research. And this is a U.S. ski team hat by Yupong. Where is it? Yeah, Yupong. This is gonna probably be a little bit long tail, but I thought it was cool. It's got, this is a rubberized thing on the front, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna grab that. I've been selling some hats lately, might as well grab another one to put in the bin. And then this one, Cleveland Cavaliers. It's just a cool, you can see it's just got kind of a cool finish on the hat. So Cleveland Cavaliers stuff does fairly well. So Mitchell and Ness. So I like grabbing hats. This is, let me move this out of the way. This is a blue line. At least that's what I call them, because I think that's what Kevin Commonwealth Picker calls them. It's very noticeable. Once you find one, you know what you're looking for. It's got this blue line across it. It's Panasonic Omnivision. There's several different models, some quite valuable actually. This one not particularly valuable, but the sell-through is there. I looked it up just real quick, and there's I think it was 4 listed and 8 sold, which is a very nice sell-through. Now, it doesn't have the remote, unfortunately, and it's a little bit dinged up. But that means I can price it to move, assuming it works. I've got 7 days to bring it back in case it doesn't work. So I got to be sure to test it this week. But this ought to sell for probably 25 or 30 bucks. This will get most of our money back. Remember, we spent $26.93. 11 of that was found dollars. So we only spent about 15, 16 bucks of our own. And then these right here, I found them actually on the way out. You guys didn't see these. These are Nike. You can see here, like, if you look up Nike shoes, if you're newer, see the number in there? AQ22100. That's the ID number. And then also there under the size, you can see these were made December 5th of 2016, looks like. So that's the date they were made. So you can see how old they are. But that's the number you would look up. Or you can just look up the type of shoe. So this is, because some of them say it on there, some of them don't. This is a Nike Trail. I don't know if you can see it through the laces, but it's a Nike. You can see it start to be there. Nike Trail. This is a Terra Kiger, Kiger. Hard to see, but the colorway on these, that's what really jumped out to me initially. See there, Nike Trail. They've got dirt on them, obviously, but for a trail shoe, it's got pretty good treads left on the bottom. I mean, they're in really pretty decent shape, other than just needing to be run through the wash. These have sold comps of about $60 free shipping, so I could charge, you know, I might just do that. They're pretty light, so they're going to be under 2 pounds when you ship them out. So maybe I'll do that and just do the $59.99 free shipping. It's a cool colorway. It's a size 10, so it's a good size. I think we're going to do well on those shoes. So not bad for a little 25-30-minute jaunt into Goodwill on a Sunday afternoon. I was there anyway, so I figured swing in, let's see what's there. I hadn't been there for a couple weeks, so it's kind of nice to get in and wander around, and we found a couple things. We're going to make a few bucks. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I sure appreciate it. When we end this thing, I'll give you another shot of Jaeger. He ought to be nice and happy and clean when I pick him up. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hey, buddy, look at everybody. There you are. Hey, can you sit? Hey, sit for the people. Look pretty. There you go. All right, you look better, pal. You look better. You did good. Good job.